Got more rain. Yep. You guys can hear it now, huh? Yep. More rain coming down. By the way, I posted like 3 screenshots of it from the National Weather Service Atlanta Twitter page. For those who want proof of it. Yep, it's all right there. I'll be sleeping too in a minute when it rains heavily, no less too. I might record some rain tomorrow morning if I get up and early in the morning just to capture it on film. Yeah, right now it's be on and off every rainfall, no less too. So that's it for now. I'll be heading on in. See you guys later. Night, guys.